Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category so you can make an informed buying decision. Today, we have two drones from Bwine, the F7GB2 and the F7MINI. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other in various categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, the camera quality is crucial. The Bwine F7GB2 drone features a 4K camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens and 120 degrees FOV lens. It allows you to shoot videos and photos at up to 3840 by 2160 resolution. Additionally, it comes with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and 5x digital zoom for enhanced stability and versatility in capturing different shots. On the other hand, the Bwine F7MINI drone also offers a 4K UHD camera with a shock absorption ball for better stability. It can record videos at 2.7K resolution and provide a 2K live view on your phone. With a 90 degrees adjustable camera and a 130 degrees FOV lens, you can capture breathtaking wide-angle shots from up to 1,640 feet. Nobody wants their drone to run out of battery in the middle of a flight. The Bwine F7GB2 drone comes with 2 intelligent batteries, providing a total flight time of up to 50 minutes. It's recommended to use a 5V 3A or 5V 2A wall charger for optimal performance. Charging the batteries fully takes around 6.5 hours. Meanwhile, the Bwine F7MINI drone offers double the fun with 2 batteries and up to 60 minutes of flight time. This allows for more extended flying sessions without the need for frequent charging. It also features 9 kinds of overcurrent protection during charging, ensuring safety and peace of mind. GPS and intelligent flight modes can greatly enhance your drone flying experience. The Bwine F7GB2 drone is equipped with intelligent GPS-assisted features, including GPS auto-return, follow me, and waypoints. If the signal is lost or the battery is low, the drone will automatically return home. The GPS functionality provides peace of mind and makes flying more convenient. Similarly, the Bwine F7MINI drone also offers GPS Smart Fly capabilities. It automatically returns home when the battery is low or with the press of a button. It can follow you, fly along a designated path, and even circle a specific point. The inclusion of multi-sensors, air optical flow, and air pressure altitude control ensures stable flight indoors and outdoors. Price is an important factor to consider when buying a drone. The Bwine F7GB2 drone is priced at $619, while the Bwine F7MINI drone comes in at a more affordable $335. It's important to weigh the features and capabilities of each drone against their respective prices to determine which one suits your needs and budget. The Bwine F7GB2 and F7MINI drones have received positive reviews overall. Customers appreciate the camera quality and stability of the F7GB2 drone, while the F7MINI drone is praised for its longer flight time and affordability. That wraps up our comparison between the Bwine F7GB2 and F7MINI drones. Both drones have their strengths, whether it's the superior camera quality of the F7GB2 or the longer flight time and affordability of the F7MINI. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing a drone. To stay updated with the latest product comparisons, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching Buy Smart. We'll see you in the next video.